Welcome to NetEmulator. This video highlights packet animation, which, in NetEmulator, visualizes packet flow through the network in real time. Right-click Computer 1, select Create Ping Packet, and choose Computer 3 as the destination. You can step through the packet's path using the Move to Next Device control or allow NetEmulator to advance the packet automatically by clicking Send. Because this is the first communication between these devices on their respective LANs, the process begins with an ARP request. Computer 1 first sends an ARP request on its local LAN to learn the MAC address of its default gateway, the router. The router then issues a separate ARP request on the destination LAN to learn Computer 3's MAC address. Once the required MAC addresses are resolved, the ICMP echo request, ping, is forwarded through the router to Computer 3. A successful echo reply is shown when the packet returns to Computer 1 and earns a green checkmark. Clicking the packet reveals detailed headers for each encapsulated layer, including Ethernet 2, IP, and ICMP, illustrating layered network communication in action.